Hi guys, in this video I will be doing flat twists on my natural hair while comparing this cream from Activilong Acticurl with the curly curl cream from Taliah Waajid. So if you're interested in seeing this product comparison video, keep on watching. So you would have seen me do some flat twists on my hair before. If you are a new subscriber, I will definitely put the thumbnail to the videos that I've done on the screen, and I will also put them in the iCards as well as in the description box down below. But basically, half of my hair will be the curly curl cream and the other half will be the Activilong Acticurl. Now, I haven't used the Activilong Acticurl on camera. However, this is not a first impressions video whatsoever because I have indeed used it on my hair. So it's really just to see which one has hold and definition as well as the moisture. As per all my previous comparison videos, that is what I looked out for. So I will section off my hair to do the flat twists and I will be back. Alrighty, so I've sectioned off my hair. Just wanted a side part. Typically I go for the opposite end, but why not do something a little different, you know? So I will be going in with my first flat twist in the front part so that you can see what I'll be doing, especially if this is your first time clicking on this video. I'm just going in with my parting. I hope it's clean. It definitely feels clean, like a clean part. And then I'm going to put the rest back so that I can have a more or less clean slate, well, more or less clear path, so that the back part doesn't interfere with what I'm doing in the front. So I will be spraying my hair with just a little bit of water just to get the area wet, not too drenched, because I really like working on wet hair so that moisture can be locked in, because water is your source of moisture. Water is your source of moisture, not your leave-in conditioner. The leave-in conditioner adds to it, but it's not a direct source. So as I said, over this side will be the Activilong Acticurl. So I will be taking about this much at first. Then I'll just go in with my tangle teaser just so that I can have a good base. As you're seeing, it's gliding nicely through it, which is a very, very good sign. Especially with the leave-in that I used, I expected nothing less. So now just a flat twist. Have to make it as neat as possible because that will also determine how defined your flat twist out will be. that is done and twisting off the rest of the hair. So this is the first flat twist, and that is what I'm going to be doing for this half of my hair. So I'll be back when I'm ready to apply the Taliah Waajid. Alrighty, so the Activilong Acticurl side is finished. I love how nice and fluffy these results look so far, but that is all I will say until the dried results. I will be doing the same thing over here with the Taliah Waajid Curly Curl Cream, and I will be back with the finished results for the side. So see you when I'm finished with the Curly Curl Cream side. Alrighty, so this is the Activilong Acticurl side. Fluffy. And this is the Taliah Waajid side. So I will wait about 2 or 3 days before I take these out. Then we will do the final assessment. So I will see you then. Alrighty, so it is day 3 of my hair being in these flat twists. And just to recap, this side over here is Taliah Waajid, and this side is the Activilong Acticurl side. First impressions before taking down these twists, over here actually feels a little more hydrated than this part. However, we will see how the results turn out. If you are new here, what I like to do is unravel my hair without any oil on my hand, because most of the products that I use contain oil, so it really doesn't make sense for me to use any other oils to unravel, because the oil will just sit on my hair and make my hair a lot more frizzy prematurely. So since I have no oils on my hands, I'm just taking my time to unravel the hair, and so far the definition looks cute over the Activilong Acticurl side. I'll just unravel this one off on camera for you, then I'll do the rest off camera. Fully perfected my craft when it comes to flat twist outs and flat twist in general, just to make sure that every section has its own individual piece and the hair isn't necessarily overlapping with others, creating excess frizz. But this is the first one, and I think I will like the definition over this side. So let's continue unraveling. I will continue unraveling off camera, then I will be back when it is time to unravel the Taliah Waajid side. Alrighty, so the results are done. I will show you quickly before getting into the review. This is the Taliah Waajid side, and this is the Activilong Acticurl side. So how I usually do this review, if you are new here, I will review the moisture aspect, the definition, and the hold. So going into the moisture, I really cannot say which side feels more moisturized because they both feel the same. Not too dry, however not too moisturized. So with that being said, for moisture, I would definitely have to give both of them, they can get a 6 out of 10. The definition now, this side has a little more definition than the Activilong Acticurl side. I found that the curly curl cream is specifically made to hold curls in place, whereas the Activilong Acticurl side, although it is a styling cream, it doesn't have as much hold. So for the definition, I would definitely have to give this a 7 out of 10, and for the Activilong Acticurl side, I would give this a 6. The hold, the same thing, a 7 for the hold, and about a 6 for the hold as well. I do believe that my technique may have something to do with the results, so user error on my part, but the hold is still pretty good and the definition is still pretty good overall. But which one would I choose? I actually have no idea. I do like the hold that the Taliah Waajid cream gives. However, it is not the most moisturizing, but when I used the Activilong Acticurl on some mini twists that I had in my hair stayed very moisturized. So I would definitely choose the Activilong Acticurl side if I am going for something more moisturizing. However, if I really don't care too much about the moisture, I would go with the Taliah Waajid cream. So it really just depends on what you want. I am a girly that loves to have my hair moisturized, so I would definitely go with the Activilong Acticurl. I will put on the screen how long it lasted, keeping in mind that this is day 3 here, because this is the 3rd day of me having the flat twist in, so the curl isn't going to be as fresh. So day 3, which leaves 4 days, we'll see how these curls last for the 4 days that remain. However, yes, this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. One thing I must say, when I took down the Activilong Acticurl side, there was no film on my hand. However, when I did take down the curly curl cream side, there is a film on my hand, which kinda bugs me, but it isn't necessarily a deterrent. So just keep that in mind if you are using the curly curl cream. But yes guys, as I said, this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far and you liked this video, definitely leave a like down below. And if you want to see more content from me, subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you never miss an upload from me. And share this video with someone who is interested in trying either the Taliah Waajid curly curl cream or the Activilong Acticurl cream, but has no idea how it will work on their type 4 natural hair. Definitely send this video to them, and while you're at it, check out videos that will pop up on your screen if you're interested in seeing more content from me. And I will see you in my next video, which will be coming next week. I will see you then. Bye bye.